How to control your Google AdWords spend, step-by-step details. Have you ever opened your Google AdWords dashboard and found your entire month's budget gone in 8 days? You are just not alone. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how Google's daily budget system actually works, why it's not what most people think it is, and how to set it up so you never get blindsided by overspend again. My name is Amy and this is Softtrix. We have been providing digital marketing services globally for the past 17 years, and budget management is one of the most common reasons we see accounts bleed money before a client ever calls us for help. So let's start with the biggest misconception. When you set up a daily budget in Google AdWords, that number is not a hard cap. Google can spend up to twice your daily budget on any given day if it sees a spike in the valuable traffic. It even thinks out over the course of a month, but if you are watching your account day by day, expecting it to stop exactly at your limit, you are going to be confused and possibly panicked the first time you see a big spend day. So how do you actually control this? First, do understand that your real budget ceiling is your daily budget multiplied by roughly 30.4. That's what Google uses to calculate your monthly spend cap. If you want predictable monthly spending, work backward from your total monthly budget rather than guessing at a daily number. Second, know where to actually set and monitor this. Inside your campaign settings under budget, you will see a current daily budget alongside the recommendations from Google, but don't blindly accept those recommendations. They are often pushing you toward higher spend, not smarter spend. Third, set up an actual safety net. Go into your billing settings and set an account level spending limit. This is not the same as a campaign budget. It's a hard stop across your entire account, and it's the closest thing Google gives you to a true spending ceiling. If you are running the multiple campaigns, this single settings can save you from a runaway situation where one campaign quietly eats into the budget meant for the another. Fourth, check your billing threshold. Google charges you either on a set day each month or once you hit a certain spend threshold, whichever comes first. If you don't know what your threshold is, you can get surprised by a large charge hitting your card mid-month instead of the date you expected. Finally, review your budget pacing weekly, not monthly. If a campaign is pacing to overspend by day 20, you want to know that on day 5, not on day 21, when the damage is already done. Small adjustments early are cheaper than corrections after the fact. Google has budgeting is not about setting a number once and forgetting it. It's an ongoing process of understanding how the platform spends, building in real safeguards, and changing in often enough to catch problems before they cost you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical Google AdWords tutorials. And if you want a professional audit of your own account's budget setup, reach out to us on WhatsApp or to us at Softtrix. We are happy to take a look.